Hi friends. So as you know, our channel name is Baba Kolam, and my wife have been promoting the channel with her creative ideas about Rangoli and as well as Kolam. She has not posted much about Rangolis in the past. Mainly she has been concentrating on Kolams, the traditional art form of South India. So I have seen her recently. She has also shown interest in Rangoli, and she just bought this Rangoli making kit to begin with. Rangoli is a whole different kind of art form, which is, I believe, is predominantly famous in North India, and it is like a free form art, I believe, not like the dot based columns that is popular in South India. So since she's just starting up on this, she thought to try out some Rangoli making kits that is available online. So this is the first time she will be trying this out. I am just purely considering this as an unboxing variation of whatever she's going to try. But whenever she tries something with this, I hope she will make videos out of it. So let's go ahead with unboxing of this one. So yes, so this is basically a kit. I believe we might find stencils inside this kit, and of course nowadays products are coming with this Make in India logo for all the things that is manufactured in India, which is really a good thing. So this company was branded as Style Up. So this one, it says stamped set. So I believe this is the patterns that we can make out of the Rangoli powders that is there. Like, we can pour in the powder inside this, and pretty much we can get different patterns, I believe. So I almost count 1 2 3 4 5 6 patterns already here, and I see, yeah, in this box itself it's actually more clearer. These are the different variations of Rangoli patterns that could be made out of this. And of course, I hope even these patterns we might find in the other boxes. Let me just quickly check out what other items are there. I'm sure this one, once my wife makes the rangolis out of this, she might show an original how-to of these things. But yeah, just consider this as an unboxing. I'm really not sure what this is for, but I still think that you will pour the powder inside this and you will create the patterns out of it. There are these nice rangolis that comes in this powder boxes. It's good that this powder are not leaking and messed up. I think this has been traveling right from North India to South India right now. This is another box wherein I think 4 different colors of powders can be poured, and you can make again patterns, I believe. So this is basically a kit for starters, especially my wife, who is not that familiar with freeform Rangoli kind of designing. She might find this helpful. This is another box wherein the different colors can be poured, and again such pattern can be made. Yeah, so I'm quite surprised. This kit has a lot of small items. I'm showing them one by one here. So this one again says different patterns are there. Let me just quickly see what's inside this. Okay, I don't want to mess this up as well before I hand this over to my wife. Okay, this one has this net typed patterns. So yeah, so this, wow. So I think there are a whole lot of patterns that can be made out of this. So let me count how many is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Almost 9 patterns, or around 10 patterns are here in this. Again here is another pattern maker. So I hope you can sprinkle and you will pretty much make a pattern like this, I believe. Yeah. Here we go, another set of Rangoli powder colors. So this is pretty much a packaging cushion that is given, I believe. So as like this one was priced at 250 rupees, and for beginners giving these many options to make the Rangoli, I believe is quite a good thing for that price. So yeah, so this one would have been probably part of this, I believe. So these were the accessories that came along with it. Yeah. So here we go. So that's about the Style Up ready to draw Rangoli making kit. I think there are at least more than 10 plus at least close to 20 stencils are there, which we can use to make easy Rangolis. I hope my wife finds this interesting, and I hope she will make some videos out of this. That's all, my friends.